Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition and subtraction sentences true or false. 10 more or less, add and subtract terms, addition and subtraction terms. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we're on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the lesson, that is addition and subtraction sentences true or false. Which sentence is true? The first sentence is true because the two sides are equal. So you have to add and see which two sides are equal, right? So 2 plus 3 equals 5. And the second sentence is false because the two sides are not equal. 1 plus 2 equals 3, not 2. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we solve the questions. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 3 equals 3. So which is the correct option? One plus 3 equals 4 and 4 minus 3 is 3. So you have to see which one, when solved, has both sides exactly equal. So that is option number 1. When you add 1 plus 3 equals 4, but 4 minus 3 is 1, not 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 minus 4 is 0 and 1 plus 2 equals 5. So which is the correct option? That is option number 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, but 1, 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's why just option number 1 is the correct one. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 is 3 and 4 minus 4 is 3. So which is the correct option? That is 1 plus 2 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 minus 4 is 4 or 2 minus 2 is 0. So which is the correct option? That is option number 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 minus 3 equals 1 and 2 plus 1 equals 2. So which is the correct option? Very good. That is 4 minus 3 equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4 take away 3 is 1. Okay, the next one is which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 is 3 or 4 plus 1 is 4? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 plus 2 equals 3. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So which is the correct option? Can you hear me? The correct option is option number 2. That is 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is 10 more or less. Let's just start with the next lesson. What number is 10 less than 78? 10 less than 78. 78 means you have to subtract. You have to subtract what? 10 less than. So that means you have to subtract 10. You have to do 78 minus 10. So you can do like this 78 minus 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. So when you go back by 10, that is 68. The correct option is 68. Let's just start with the test questions. What number is 10 less than 84? The correct option. So when you go back 84, 10 from 84, you have to 84 minus 10. 4 minus 0 is 4 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So that is 74. The correct option is option number 1. That is 74. Option number 1 is the correct option. What number is 10 more than 54? So you have to add 10 more than 54 is 10 more you have to add. So 54 plus 10 is 64 it is. One more thing, you're adding 10. You just have to change the tens digit. Once it remains the same, right? Which number is 10 more than 40? Which is the correct option? So 10 more than 40 means you need to add 10 to 40. So 40 plus 10 is that is 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is what number is 10 less than 78? Ten less than 78 is you have to subtract 1 from the tens digit because the other digit is also already a 0. So 78 minus 10 is 68. Option number 3 is the correct option. What number is 10 less than 63? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 less than 63 is 53. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Add and subtract tens. Add 50 plus 20. So both the numbers have exactly 1 0, right? So you have to add the tens digit. They are 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So that is 70, right? 0 plus 0 is 0. And 5 plus 2 is 7. That is 70. Let's just start with the test questions. 70 plus 0. So when you are working with 0, whatever number you are adding to 0, the number stays the same. That is 70 plus 0 is 70, right? Whatever number you are adding to 70, the number stays the same. Ninety minus 30. Zero minus 0 is 0 and 9 minus 3 is that is 60. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ninety minus 10, which is the correct option. 90 minus 10 is 80. Option number 1 is the correct option. 40 plus 10, which is the correct option. Forty plus 10 is 50. The correct option is option number 3. 40 plus 10 is 50. Subtract 10 minus 0. So adding and subtracting 0 means the number stays the same. So 10 minus 0 is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 40 plus 50, which is the correct option. 90 it is. 50 plus 40 is 90. 50 10 plus 60, which is the correct option. That is 70. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The last one is addition and subtraction terms. Let's just start with the test questions we are going to add, right? That is 48 plus 12. We'll write them down one above the other, right? Oh no, the question is in this problem, what is 60? So when you add 48 and 12, the answer is 60. When you add 48 and 12, the answer is 60. So 60 is the sum of 48 and 12, that is sum. In this problem, what is 40? So when you add 33 and 7, the answer is 40, right? Forty is the sum of 33 and 7. When you are adding two numbers, the answer is the sum. In this problem, what is 33, which is the correct option? 33 is the difference of 53 and 20 when you're subtracting. The answer is the difference of two numbers. That is difference. In this problem, what is 26? So you are subtracting 61 and 35. The answer is 26. So which is the correct option? So 26 is the difference of 61 and 35. That is difference. 52 is the difference of 73 and 21. That is difference. In this problem, what is 58? In this problem, what is 58? Fifty-eight is the sum of 36 and 22. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction sentences true or false, 10 more or less, add and subtract tens, addition and subtraction terms. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I'm here to answer and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.